What's going on? This is Colin. I have got a sovereign citizen. Now, this is bad. This one's bad. We're in front of Judge Ricke, and he might be the absolute grumpiest judge there is. I mean, we have Judge Yelly and Judge Spicy. Neither one of them can compare to what Judge Ricke is capable of. He's just been on the bench too long. He does not play with sovereign citizens, and this one tells them to F off. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? Let's just get into it. I'm Colin. We're cooling. Let's go.
All right, I think I've got Mr. McDaniel on here now.
Yes, sir.
Matthew McDaniel. I'm not hearing the response. Matthew McDaniel?
Am I supposed to say something?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the state of Kansas versus Matthew R. McDaniel. Case number 2025 CR 454. Mr. McDaniel appears from the El Dorado Correctional Facility's Zoom location. Amber Norris appears for the state. This is a first appearance in the case. Count 1 alleges murder in the second degree, a level 1 person felony. Since a felony is involved, you will not be asked to plead at this time, Mr. McDaniel. Rather, a preliminary hearing scheduling will be made by this court. Previously, this court appointed James Watts as your attorney. He's on this meeting with us. Mr. Watts, I'm proposing our next court date for preliminary hearing control to be 11 o'clock a.m. on December the 31st. Are you available?
December
31 at 11.
Yes, sir. I can do that.
Very well. This matter will be set for a preliminary hearing control setting, 11 o'clock a.m. on December 31, 2025. Obviously, the facility will need to have Mr. McDaniel on the meeting again in a similar way that they've accommodated the court today.
Hey, this is a first appearance?
This is your first appearance.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I need to see some paperwork for this or something. I'm not aware of this.
Okay, I'm making you aware that you've got a murder in the second degree charge currently pending in our court.
Yeah, I need to see some writing for this, because from what I understand, this is basically y'all trying to charge somebody up under a corporation, and I'm not a corporation.
If you don't know anything about this case, how do you know they're charging you as a corporation? Make that make sense. So you have seen something, or you're just saying something dumb. I'm not going to be nice to this guy. You'll see why here in a second. Well, minus the charges.
I need to
I don't
see
know what
something.
you're talking about, Mr. McDaniel, and quite frankly, I'm not in the mood to entertain it.
I don't care about your mood. Fuck, you ain't your mood.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Where's the
Let's set your court date. According to a lawyer, I'm sure the lawyer will provide you a copy of your charges. And we'll see you by Zoom on December 31 at 11 o'clock a.m. As far as the bond is concerned, the point's almost moot because of your current incarcerated status. I think we probably already have a bond set in this case. Checking that.
Your Honor, I believe it was a summons, so I don't think that the court has set a bond in regards to Mr. McDaniel's case. And I do believe that I do believe that he is in custody for a significant period of time. I mean, multiple years.
The court has to establish a bond in this case, and we'll do so. $750,000 cash or a professional surety required. Very well. Bond's been set. Counsel appointed. Next court date set. Unless, Ms. Norris, you know of other business. Mr. Watts, you do?
Your Honor, just so I'm clear, Your Honor set that as a preliminary hearing control date on the 31st?
Correct. Are
Okay.
you in a position to be able to schedule an evidentiary hearing at this time?
Judge, given the nature of this case, I presume my client will want to have an evidentiary preliminary hearing. And I can schedule that if you wish to, or I can attempt to make contact with my client first.
Your Honor, we have not sent discovery, I don't believe. And like I said, Mr. McDaniel is in custody for several more years, maybe even life. So I don't think there's any rush. And I don't actually have Mr. Sweeney's calendar, and that's whose case this actually would be. So if we could maybe keep the 31st date, it might be better.
That's fine, Your Honor. I just want to make sure that's what we were doing that day.
That's what we'll schedule an evidentiary hearing if one is requested on that date, Mr. Watts. And if you can go ahead when you get discovery and send a copy of the charges to your client, he apparently wants to see them.
I have a great deal of discovery, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Very well. If there's nothing further at this time, then the Matthew McDaniel matter will be in recess at this time. We'll move on to another case on the docket.
Your Honor, if it's possible, could I, while the court's taking up that docket, could I do a breakout with Mr. McDaniel?
You can go ahead and set that up at this time, Andy. Mr. McDaniel, we're going to put you in a breakout session, a separate session with your attorney by Zoom at this time. All right.
I am impressed. Impressed. He did not come back. He did not say something else. I thought he was going to drop something else. I called him a sovereign citizen because he said you're trying to charge the corporation. That is a classic sovcit line. So you're not going to be able to talk me out of it. But yeah, how was he not held in contempt? Because he's facing life in jail? Still hold him in contempt. At least they might have muted him. I don't know. But wow. Judge Ricke kept his... You know what? I'm impressed. I'm impressed all around. All around. Don't know if that was handled correctly. Maybe it was. They're handling court with kindness in Judge Ricke's courtroom today. All right, I'm just rambling now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This is a really short one. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hype, comment, do all those fun things. That's it. That's all I got. Till next time, bye. Oh man, I don't have my outro loaded. I'm not doing my job today. I tried to do this one live because it was really good and I saw it quickly and I wanted to put it out. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, bye.